I am the PR manager of Educate and Orphan. Today, Friday 18th, is the day we've launched the run for 2022. The run is happening on the 20th of March. Please save the date. And I am here to tell you about what the concept of the whole run is all about. First of all, we are very, very excited. We are running to build a school. I will keep saying this because I do not want us to lose track of why we are doing this. We are running to build and educate an orphan school. And I would like to first of all thank our sponsors. Our main sponsor has been Financial Diet. It's a financial literacy company that focuses on equipping individuals with basic money principles. They were our main sponsors. We are very, very grateful. On behalf of Educate and Orphan, I am here to tell you that we are so happy for your contribution. And then we have MAKERERE's collection, we have Cybernet Technologies, we have Take a Child to School Uganda, TACS, we have Educan Uganda, we have Let's Fix It, individual and couples counseling, present. Oh no, today I'm not a counselor, today I am a PR manager. Yes, and then we have Jala Tools and Machinery. And then we also have DTM, Institute of Graphics and Design. Now, we also have people that we've partnered with, and we have the Uganda Red Cross Society, we have Shaft Media, we have IUIU, Islamic University, we have Wabwe Media, we have Chubuli SS, we have Metropolitan International, we have Macbusy Graphics, and we have Mumsa and Shumsa. Now, if you don't know about what we do, I'll give you a really, really brief introduction in that. Educate and Orphan offers education opportunities to the less privileged orphans. For Educate and Orphan, together we're bridging a gap, the dad, and we managed to raise funds from members who have joined us and those who have not joined us officially. Every month we pay 5,000. But like I keep saying, we're going to town to Ghana. As much as we can collect, we use this money to help cater for the children. And then we also organize activities like this because they bring in the money and they help us. So I would like to tell you what we are selling this time, because every kit that is sold brings us closer to our goal. Again, our goal is we are building an educated and open school. So please buy kits. Please just mutusasire. We are doing this for a really good cause. So we sell T-shirts. The silver kit is 20,000, just a T-shirt. And then we have gold, that's the T-shirt and the cap. And then we have platinum, that's the T-shirt, one bottle, and the cap. Remember, for every purchase, the money, all the proceeds are going to our cause, building an educated and open school. Thank you so much. For more details, we'll leave all the details that you need to reach us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.